Backing up from the ground helps to build up lightness and to reinforce that bond between you and your horse. This exercise is also the first step to teach your horse to back up properly from the saddle. Whether you are using the lead rope, a slobber strap, or the rein, hold it with your thumb pointing down. Your goal is just to slightly wiggle it until your horse starts to move backward. The important part of that exercise is to get your horse soft in the neck. You want to see him yield at the pull. That process can actually take some time with young or dull horses. Once more, consistency is a key to success. The very first step is to teach the cue to the horse. The better he is with the fundamentals, the quicker will be the response. Position yourself by the head of your horse. Grab the lead rope and gently wiggle it from one side to the other until the horse starts to move backward. One small step is a good first response. Then, just build on this and demand up to 3 consecutive steps. But this time, look for that soft feel. Feel is hard to teach. It is something you must experience, and that exercise is an easy way to experience it for the first time. There is a moment when you will feel your horse becoming very light in your hand. Visually, you will see your horse yield at the pull, the tip of the nose coming in momentarily. That is the exact moment when you should release pressure and pet your horse. Once the cue is well acquired by your horse, you can start to build lightness. Repeating this exercise regularly will help your equine partner to become light and soft. Pretty soon, a light pressure of your finger will be enough for your horse to collect, be soft at the pull, and back up. If your horse does not respond and stand still, you should offer the second deal. That is to wiggle the rein more firmly. Do not be violent. Yet, be firm and keep asking until you get a response. Make sure you finish your cue with a light touch before you release pressure and reward your horse. It won't be long before your horse chooses the gentle wiggle as a cue to back up. Sometimes, a horse can lose track of what you're asking. His attention can get caught by a car, another horse, whatever. Don't get frustrated. Just keep your objective in mind. Don't release. Be a little more insistent if necessary. If you are using reins, you can even gently tap the bit ring on the horse's cheek to wake him up and remind him about your existence. That will help your horse refocus on the task and you can get back to work.